In today's video, I will walk you through how to turn on auto spell check for Outlook emails. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open your web browser and visit the official Microsoft Outlook website. After signing in, you'll arrive on the Outlook dashboard where you can manage your emails and settings. To reach the spell check option, go to the top left corner of the page and click on New Mail. This opens a new Email Compose window where you can start creating a message. Now move your attention to the top right corner of the email window. You'll see a three-dot icon. Click on it to open a menu with additional tools and settings related to composing emails. In the drop-down menu, select Editor. Once the Editor section opens, scroll down through the available options until you find the area where you can customize your editor settings. Here you'll see the spelling check settings for Outlook. Turn on the spelling check option so Outlook can automatically detect spelling mistakes while you type your emails. This helps highlight errors during composition so you can correct them before sending your message. After enabling the setting, Outlook will automatically check your spelling whenever you write a new email going forward. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you turn on auto spell check for Outlook emails quickly and easily.